Hi and welcome to another video. After a year of deciding, researching, watching hundreds of videos, I finally did it and I purchased the Veto Pro Pack Tech MCT Blackout. I finally got it, I finally went for it and it arrived this morning. Let's do a little unboxing. Well, I've already done the unboxing part, but let's have a look at some of the features of this really good bag. I'm really pleased with the purchase. I haven't really opened it up yet, but we're gonna have a little look at the features and we're gonna put a few tools in. Let's see what it's like. Right, I got my Veto Pro Pack Blackout from Epic Air. I paid £187 for it. I think they're priced more or less the same all over the internet. And here it is. Rugged design, well made. I can tell it's going to last a while. Solid gripping handle. Very good quality zips. Loads of pockets. Places to hide things away. You've got side slots for your screwdrivers and what have you. And then what I think we believe we're going to call the back. More pockets. A larger pocket there for things to go into. And a back round the other side, we got some more slots again. And it's got a big old chunky tape measure holder and the big hooks at the top either side for the straps to go on. Now, I'm currently with a TP3B. This is what I've got at the moment. This is my first Veto product I've ever bought. It got to the stage where it was just getting too full, and what I would find is that I'd put it down sometimes and it would actually tip over and stuff would fall out. Because the line of work I'm involved in, this is sort of like my go-to bag that practically everything I need fits into. But as time goes along, you find that you want to put more tools in your bag. And as I said in the beginning, I've been looking at this bag for a long time. Now, the big tech pack, I actually saw one on site a couple of months ago. A guy was working on a refrigeration unit in a shop, and that was the first time I saw the tech pack in real life, and it was huge. It was honestly, it was almost like something you'd go hiking in. It was, it was really big, and I thought that one was way too big. This is a quick bag that I think I can just throw over my shoulder, and I'm going to be able to put in most things that I need for my job. So basically what we've got pliers, Allen keys, scissors, a little tape measure, insulation tape. By the way, I like these CK little CK scissors I got. I think they're about 16 quid they were. Yeah, so that's what I'm running at the moment. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna later on, we're gonna put some of those stuff into the new bag. I mean, obviously it's good. I'm not gonna do it overnight. I mean, it's in the evening now. It's been a long day. And we're just gonna quickly do a quick little loadout, but first we're gonna have a look at all the compartments inside. Right, as I said before, it's got a great zip, very strong zip. Now this is what we're calling the front end of the bag. Now inside, this is the back of the flap. We've got a zipped compartment which is big enough for me to put your whole hand in. You can put things in there. It comes with a strap, which I believe you attach to there, and it becomes like a little surface. And I don't think I'm going to bother with that personally. That's not really my style, but we'll worry about that later. Now, further down on the outside, sorry, on the inside of the flat, we've got like a little component area where you can put things, and it's transparent to a point where you can see through there. You can put little components and whatever. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with that. Right, we've got the little Veto little bag of stuff. Comes with a sticker and a warranty card, so you've got to go online and fill that out. So we've got to go on the internet and do that. Right, on the inside we've got loads of storage space for your tools. You've got little slots there, you could put little drivers in there, 2 of those. Big socket there, pocket there, pocket there. Now this is the V-swap system. Now with the V-swap system, you've got different layout panels that are interchangeable. Now they're actually held inside the bag via Velcro strips on the back. Now because it's a two-handed job, I'd have to put the phone down to be able to take it out and show you. So what I'll do, I'll take it out and then I'll show you. So bear with me. Tickety boo. Alright, on the side here, we've got on this side we've got 3 slots and a little tag, a little tape thing. I'm not sure that's a tape holder, so I'm going to take that off because I can't think of what I can actually do with that one at the moment. So if we go back over to my old TP3B, this is my little plastic tube cutter. I think I'm going to attach that one to there. And around the other side, on my old one, I've got, I'm surprised it didn't come with one of those. So this one's going to get transferred over. And my little tape, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the tape measure because I'm going to use the big chunky one. It's outside at the moment. I don't know if I'm going to have that one just dangling. We'll just see how it goes with that one. And my little level, I'm not sure where I can put my level. I like my level. But I can't see a thing that I can slide that one into. We'll work that out in a moment. So let's just quickly do that a moment. So again, I've got to put the camera down. So I haven't got a camera person. Hang on. I got this little set, cheap at Wix. They had it on offer. So I'm thinking of where I'm going to put these. I've got another set. I'll tell you what, I'm really into, when I do electrical installation work on electronics, I'm a big fan of using ferrules. So my ferrule crimp is going to have to be a new member of the bag. So that's definitely going to be in there. Right, you join me again a bit later on where I just went nuts and started filling it out. So this is what we're calling the front. Long nose pliers, snips, funny nose pliers. Got my ends there. Got the handle for it there. I've got another ratcheting screwdriver there. On the side now, we've got the torch, because quite often I'll grab the torch. So grabbable things that I use regularly are on the side. So there's the torch, posi and a flathead there. There are things I can grab quickly. I've got the tapes, tube cutter, tape measure. Right, in the back, I'm calling this the installation section. So this has got things that I use slightly less regularly, but it'd be handy to have around. So I've got my multimeter, my ferrule crimp, little driver magnet, my fluke volt stick, spanners, cable ties. Now in here I've got little connectors and things I use. So that's a selection of like the ferrules, the gel crimps, some washers, some connectors, a few diodes, some cable tie bases. I decided to put those in there, in that little slot there. Easier said than done with one hand. Right, got some shrink wrap in there on that one. Got some drill bits in there. Yeah, I found my little portable drill because sometimes I need to tap holes, and I'm going to try and make inquiries to find out if they make like a really sort of what's the word I'm looking for? Like a beefier version, because that was just from Lidl or Aldi. I haven't got like a proper drill head for that. I mean, it's not like doing like proper stuff, but it's just if I'm somewhere and I need to do a pilot hole for something. So I'm gonna make inquiries to see if I can get a better one of these. So that was already about a 10 or something like that. That goes in there. As I said before, some drill bits. Now, for now, that's it. There's loads of other compartments that I haven't used. I don't see the point of trying to jam pack for. I mean, I've only had it a couple of hours, so in time things will get into there. What I've done, I've used the strap from my old case. I'm just going to put it on, so there's no point of I mean, it's got loads more life, and the old strap, sorry, the new brand strap is going to stay in the bag until such time that I need it. But all in all, I'm very pleased with this. I haven't actually put it over my shoulder yet to see how actual heavy it is. It's not too bad. Yeah, so I'm very pleased. That's my old tub out the van. I'm just gonna, I mean, I'm not gonna put, might get a little hammer to put in there. So all this old stuff is gonna go back in the old tub, and then I'm gonna reorganize my big rough tub for my big ugly tools, as it were, at another point. So that is the Veto Pro Pack MCT Blackout. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, please like. I hope to do some more videos like this in the future. This is my workshop upstairs. That's the workshop upstairs. So Veto Pro Pack, I give it 10 out of 10. See you next time.